If those aren't the lyrics, you're not dragging me in the comments, because, you know, it's my jam. I'll sing it how I want to. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Compliments of the new season. I hope your holiday season was absolutely amazing. I hope you ended 2019 on a great note and you started 2020 on an even better note. So for today's video, I thought it would be really cool if I just started off the year with a Zim Tag. I think this was a trend like a year or two ago. I saw it coming up on my homepage on YouTube and I decided to just film it. You guys really liked to get to know me, so I thought maybe the Zim Tag would be something fun and that you find interesting as well. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, see what it's about, and stay tuned. First and foremost, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope that you stay and subscribe and become a part of our little corner here. If you aren't new and you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Do like, comment, and share this video. Also write down things that you'd like to see from me in 2020. Tell me if you like this makeup look that I did. Maybe I'll also film it if you guys do. I thought about filming it, but then kind of got shy and decided to just do it and, you know, do the questions separate. But if you want to see it, do let me know. But yeah, let's get into this video. So kumusha kwedu, I think I said this as well in my get to know me, I originate from Zimba, Tobakwa Zimba, and I am part of the Shona ethnic group of Zimbabwe, so that's where I come from. That's where, you know, our family comes up from, Zimba, and we are Shona. And yeah, I can only speak English and Shona. I'm trying to learn Isindebele because, you know, my man, actually let me not even say my man, that's not the real reason. The first reason is that it's actually really quite embarrassing for me to be Zimbabwean and not be able to speak Ndebele. It makes it even more embarrassing now that I'm dating somebody who speaks Ndebele, and naturally because he speaks Ndebele and because we all understand the history of this country, which is really embarrassing to say the least, and just a horrible, horrible history. A lot of Ndebele people can speak Shona, but a lot of Shona people don't speak Ndebele, and it's a very privileged place to sit on, and I'm really trying to learn, so I'm not that girl, because it's not cute to be that girl. But yeah, I only speak English and Shona right now, but we are going to learn, and you know, maybe one day, heck, we might even have a whole tutorial in Ndebele. Who knows? What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? I'll just do the simple magadi yenyu, which is, you know, hi, like a very formal hi, and then unohombera, so magadi yenyu, and then you clap like this. And then what else? Ooh, actually, I know what I want to teach you. How you say I'm hungry. That's I'm hungry. You know, like, because I'm a foodie, so I think that's really important phrase to know. The other thing is that my Shona is also not the greatest on the planet. Please don't drag me in the comment section for this. Like, I know it. You're really not telling me anything new if you do drag me. But yeah, I was actually thinking about this the other day. So for primary school, preschool I went to Galcom Creche. Primary school, I went to Ariel Primary School. High school, I went to Arundel School. So primary school, I think, has my favorite memory. And my memory of primary school is that at the beginning of every term, our parents could have like a little... So like our tuck shop had a tab system, and it was for hot dogs. And it's just like... It's probably the dumbest sounding thing, but just the ability to go and like just get hot dogs because they were on my tab. That's a beautiful memory. Like, I thought about it the other day. I think I was speaking to my mom and we were just talking about how good like Zim used to be and stuff, and the fact that we had like hot dog tabs in primary school I think is really amazing, and that's one of my favorite memories from school in Zim. That, and yeah, like that's one of my favorite memories actually. And also like taking the bus to school every day, because Ariel is in Rua, which is like an hour or so bus ride out of Harare, out of the CBD, and we used to take a bus every single day, and it was so fun to be on the bus with like your homies and like having chats, all the gossip, catching up on homework. I did my homework a couple of times in the bus. I'm not even embarrassed to say it. It is what it is. I'm sure the teachers could tell because of the handwriting. Just a mess, really. I think I've always just been a mess. But yeah, those, I would say, like the hot dog thing is definitely my favorite memory from school. I'm such a pig. And the bus thing is also just like another great thing. So shout out to anyone who went to Ariel Primary School. Shout out to anyone who was part of like class of 2007. Gang. You want to limit me to one? Are you serious? With the way I love food? There's no way. I love food a little too much. What do I love? Rice nedoi. I love it. And if anyone in the comment section goes on about Zimbabweans and peanut butter is nice. Don't bully us. It is nice. So for me, it would be rice nedoi. There's this funny nuance, guys. It's summertime in Africa, and you know the flies just like to be all over the place, and I think it's also because it's really warm right now because I put all the lights on for this, but it's just hovering. But anyway, rice nedoi slaps. Madora, which is matmindi, I think, I don't know how to pronounce it too well, but madora, the little caterpillar things when they're like fried with chilies, slap. Mazondo, slap. Pork bones, slap. Muribo nedoi, slaps. Roadrunner, slaps. Oxtail, slaps. Goch. And like there's a difference between goch and a braai, first and foremost. So, you know, don't tell me that goch is a braai. There's a difference. I would like to think that there's a difference between braai and barbecue. Like there's levels to this. And goch slaps, guys. It slaps. Sadza nelakto slaps. Sadza nemazai slaps, guys. Food just slaps. Period. Slaps. Now I'm hungry. I'm actually cooking dinner after this. So excited. Okay. And in the United Kingdom, in London. I think I also said this in my Get to Know Me. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that. But yeah, I was born here. I kid. Of course I like things about my country. What I like the most about my country is the fact that there's still a lot of green in the country. A lot of green. Like when I say green, I mean a lot of vegetation. Like if you're driving from city to city, there are just stretches of like land, and I love that. I also love, excuse me, just burped. I also love the fact that, just burped again. Sorry, yo guys, I don't even know why, because I haven't eaten. Maybe it's the gas. Excuse me. I also like the fact that although this is changing, because of course, like as the economic situation gets worse, people get, you know, a lot meaner and a lot more agitated. But I also liked how nice Zimbabweans were and how happy Zimbabweans were. But yeah, that's also changing actually as things are continuing to get tense. People are also, you know, getting a lot more tense. But for me, I would say like nature is my biggest thing about Zim. I love the fact that in every house that I've grown up in, save for like the first, you know, place my parents and I ever lived in, and my brother, which was a flat, has had a yard. Like having a yard, a backyard is a standard situation in Zim. I think now because of complexes and stuff, it's sort of changing. But even your complexes, a lot of them have like little secluded gardens. But just the fact that you have greenery, I don't think I could genuinely live in a space where I don't have the ability to just go sit outside. Like right now the birds are singing, my dogs are happily playing outside, I can walk on the grass, whatever it is, and I personally adore that. My favorite memory has to be going to Nyanga with my family. So we used to go to Nyanga for New Year's, for like, you know, like would leave on the 30th and then would have the 31st and go into the New Year and leave on the 2nd. And I really loved that, because where we would stay just above Troutbeck, there's like corporate cottages and stuff at the top, and like a little man-made lake, whatever. It was very serene, and the place, like, and the place, sorry, a little pop-up just came up on my phone, and the place didn't have, like, the one that we stayed in, the cottage that we stayed in, didn't have a telly, didn't have Wi-Fi. During that time of the year, it's quite chilly and the clouds hang really low, so that was also very, very lovely. Like, it was gorgeous, it was serene. Would go horseback riding, would go hiking if there wasn't any electricity, because magetsi wongwai, and mom would like cook on the braai stand, and she used to do like hot pots. Like, that for me is my favorite memory, like just going into the new year with my family in a very serene, secluded location without a care in the world, and just kind of like stepping away from Zim for a second. Like, we're still in Zim, but we're stepping away from the stresses and we're just enjoying each other. That for me was actually one of my favorite memories, you know, in Zim. And I hope one day, like, if I have a family, you know, that I get to do that with them too. I swear this thing won't leave me. And guys, in Dageza, look at it. It's coming back for round 2. Okay, it's back. But anyway, yeah, that's my favorite memory, definitely. Woo! My favorite song is Totushuma by Oliver Mtukudzi. I love that song. Guys. It will play it will play at my graduation, it will play at my wedding, it will play at my baby shower, it will play at my aurora, it will play when I buy my first home, it will probably be the first song I play in the first car I buy myself. I love that song, guys. That song is so beautiful. It is so nice. It's such a vibe. I love that song so much. I just love it. I really do. But yeah, that actually brings us to the end of this tag. It was literally like 9 questions, you know. That's it, guys. So that's the end, I guess, of this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. It's short, it's sweet, it's getting us into the new year. I am really excited for 2020 personally. I have an upload schedule, so I will be uploading Mondays and Thursdays. I'm not sure if I'll upload weekends as well, we'll see, but definitely you will be getting 2 videos a week, probably like a chit chat like this and a tutorial. And then when I do have vlogs, I'll do those on the weekend, but for now it's just gonna be the 2 videos. I'm gonna start small so that we are consistent. I really hope that you thoroughly enjoyed this video. Comment down in the bottom below anything that you found interesting, or you know, where are you from, what's your favorite food, what's your favorite jam, you know, from Zim. What are your favorite memories? If you have done a Zim tag, do tag it down below. If you enjoyed somebody else's Zimbabwean tag and you want me to see it, do put the link down below. But yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Let us have a fabulous 2020. Let's make this shmoola. Let's live this life. Let us just be happy. Let's get it. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.